Where can you find family-owned restaurants with secret recipes in Little Italy? Imagine walking down a street where every corner whispers stories of Italian families and their cherished recipes. In New York City's Little Italy, that's exactly what you'll find. This neighborhood along Mulberry Street and nearby blocks is home to many family-run restaurants that have kept their recipes a secret for generations. These places pride themselves on dishes that are more than just food, they're family traditions handed down through the years. Many of these restaurants serve classic Italian dishes like pasta with Sunday sauce, which is a rich tomato and meat sauce that slow cooks 4 hours. The sauce is often a closely guarded family secret, with recipes that have been kept within the family for decades. Meatballs, bracciole, and homemade pizza styles like Grandma's Pizza are also common. Grandma's Pizza features a thin but slightly thick dough topped with fresh plum tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, oregano, and sometimes anchovies. Many times mozzarella cheese is added, but the recipe can vary from family to family. One well-known example is Umberto's, a family-run pizzeria famous for its Grandma's Pizza. The recipe has been carefully preserved and shared only within the family, making it a special treat for visitors. Many small trattorias and red sauce joints also have their own versions of Sunday sauce, which is cooked with various meats and kept as a secret family recipe. These recipes often take hours to prepare and are a key part of the neighborhood's culinary identity. Some restaurants celebrate the heritage of Italian grandmothers, or nonne, who bring authentic regional recipes from Italy. Enoteca Maria is a popular spot where grandmothers from different parts of Italy cook traditional dishes, sharing recipes that are rarely seen elsewhere. Walking along Mulberry, Mott, and Grand Streets is the best way to discover these hidden gems. Many of these family-owned places have been around for decades, maintaining their authentic flavors and secret recipes. In essence, if you want to find family-owned restaurants with secret recipes in Little Italy, focus on the streets where Italian families have been cooking for generations. These places serve more than just food, they serve history and tradition through dishes like Grandma's Pizza and Sunday sauce. The recipes are often passed down from grandmothers and are a true taste of Italian heritage right in the heart of New York City.